Guys, so this is part 2 of the video. I'm gonna be taking off the side skirt to install the lip. We gotta take it off to drill some hose and put in the templates and drill the hose. So we just took out the clip on this side. Just gonna have to pop it off and do the other side. So you gotta put it back in.
Where's that come
Okay. Woof. Alright, so pretty much got the passenger side out. Pretty much just like 7 clips. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Pretty much. Then pop clips. Got pop it out. So you gotta do the other side now. So we finished drilling the hose, put the, what is this thing called, the rubber thing? The rubber grommet in. Just gotta put the lip on and screw it in. Should be down on this side. Alright, so just got everything put on. Just gotta tighten it down. Good, perfect fitment. Gotta take out the tape. Right there, tighten it down and throw it on the car. Alright, so we just finished installing or putting the passenger side. Still got the driver's side. Yeah, this is pretty much how it's gonna look. Looks pretty good. Nice, perfect fitment. This is pretty much just the end of part 2. Stay tuned for the front lip install. We gotta do that tomorrow. It's pretty late. Tired. Stay tuned for the update. Just like, comment, subscribe.